At 100,000 we thought not bad, that's a healthy new channel. At 1 million we thought, wow, this creator is pretty awesome. But at 10 million, at this point, we're actually scratching our heads. How on the earth did you do that? 10 million subscribers isn't just a lot of people. It's more than the entire population of New York City. The fact is, you're no longer just a great channel. Your movement, you've so clearly touched a nerve in the world. Ooh. And you've found a legion of fans who expect and receive great things from you. We hope you will accept this Diamond Creator Award as a token of our appreciation and our respect for what you have accomplished. You amaze us and inspire us every day. Keep it coming. Yours sincerely, Susan Wotcing, CEO YouTube.
Ano? May siya daga.
Was it going to be a prank? Oh, ada lagi.
Oh, enggak. Itu buka dulu sertifikatnya. Simpan dulu.
Oh, iya.
Taruh dulu. Oh, itu ada lagi.
Dia ada lagi. Recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing team to purchase a personalized creator award. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Diamond kelipat. Berat namanya. Naisa, alifia, yuriza, n.a.y. Congratulations on passing 10 million subscribers. Look.
Bukan dong plastiknya. Lihat.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Berat ya?
Oh, guys. It's so heavy. Wow, diamond play button. Yeah, it's a diamond sense.